Welcome to Market Watch Tutorial 5. In this tutorial, we will learn how to modify trading orders using the take profit and stop loss options. To modify an active order under these two options, right-click the active order and press modify or delete. The value of stop loss and take profits can be input into these two boxes. Stop loss and take profit values must include the stop limit amount. This window will allow you to either place a take profit or stop loss order at a specific number. The take profit and stop loss modifications should include the stop limit amounts. In the Euro-USD currency pair, the stop loss and take profit value must be at least 20 points from the bid or ask price now. The new values of the take profit or stop loss is shown in the columns below. For pending orders, the take profit and stop loss options will be enabled while you are placing a pending order. In the case where you need to input the correct price instead of the point value, don't forget that the stop limit level amount must be included relative to the pending order activation price set. Pending orders can be modified at any time by right-clicking on the place pending order and selecting modify or delete order. Thank you for watching Market Watch Tutorial 5.